In this tutorial I'll show you how to use a very simple model of a car in the Blender game engine. The tutorial is based on a tutorial from the website www.tutorialsforblender3d.com. I'm opening the model of a very simple car that I made in a previous tutorial. I've added a red stripe to the wheel to make it clear when it's turning. I'm going to select the top of the car, hold down shift, select the body of the car and click the join button. The car is facing the wrong way. I want it to face in the positive Y direction as indicated by the green arrow. So I'm going to enter 180 in the Z rotation and that turns the car around. Now the car has rotation and scale values and the wheels have a rotation value. So I'm going to go to the select menu, select all by type mesh, and I'm going to go to the object menu and apply rotation and scale, and that resets the rotation and scale for the car and all the wheels. I'm going to select a front wheel and you must name it exactly this: capital T, tyre, F, capital F, capital P for front passenger, tyre, capital R, capital P for rear passenger, tyre, capital F, capital D for front driver, tyre, capital R, capital D for rear driver. Selecting the car, I'm going to move it up by pressing G to grab, Z and 3 and enter. I'm going to select a wheel, press B for B select, drag out to select all the wheels, and I'm going to move those down, G to grab, Z -1 and enter. I'm going to add mesh plane and I'm going to press S to scale and 100 and enter. I'm going to change the layout to the game logic layout. I'm going to change the view to perspective. I'm dragging with the middle mouse button to rotate the view. Change Blender Render to Blender Game. We have to set the physics properties of the car and the wheels. Click the physics button, select the car and change the physics type to rigid body. Tick no sleeping, change mass to 200 and scroll down and change collision bounds to convex hull. Now we have to select each of the wheels and change the physics type to no collision. Final wheel, physics type no collision. Now we have to open a script. You can download the script either from the original website or from my website. Click the text menu, open text block, go to the folder where the Python script is stored, select the script, carsetup.py, open, scroll down until you see the section tyre positions. We have to put in the X, Y and Z values for the wheels. The X value is 2.8. The Y value is 2.4. I'm going to do Control and C to copy that and Control and V to paste. And the Z value is -0.8. Again, I'll copy that, Control and C, Control and V. Now the radius of the wheel, if a wheel was the same height as the default cube, it would have a radius of 1. The torus is slightly bigger than that. I'm going to put a radius of 1.1. Now we can test that. We don't need any game properties. Zoom in with the mouse wheel. Shift middle mouse button to pan. Make sure the car is selected. Add an always sensor. Add a Python controller. Choose the car setup script. Connect that up. Go to the render button and click start. And there our model bounces onto its wheels. It was a bit dark, so I'm going to select the lamp. I'm going to its object data properties, and I'm going to change the energy from 1 to 5. And I'm going to grab the tip of the blue arrow and move that up a bit. Now I want to open a new script, but before I do that I'm going to go to the text menu and make the car setup script, make it internal so that it'll be saved with the Blender file. Now I'm going to open the new script, open text block, go to the folder where you've downloaded your scripts, select the powertrain script and open text block. Now I'm not going to edit this script, I'm just going to add keyboard sensors that call it. Select the car and add a keyboard sensor. Add a Python controller and connect it to the powertrain script. Now to go forward, the keyboard sensor must be called gas with a capital G. The script looks for it. Press the up arrow and connect that up. I'm clicking the white triangles to close up the logic bricks. Add a keyboard sensor and call it reverse with a capital R. Press the down arrow and connect that up. Now I'm going to add 2 keyboard sensors, one for left and one for right. Must be called left with a capital L, and press the left arrow. Must be called right, and I'm going to scroll down, press the right arrow, connect those up. Now the order of the logic bricks doesn't matter, but there must be 6 keyboard sensors, so I'm going to add another 2 keyboard sensors, and one must be called brake. Scroll down again, and I'm going to press the space bar, and finally the last one must be called E brake, capital E capital B, and I'm going to press the letter B and connect those up. Click the render button and the start button and test the controls. When we hit the brake, the car nearly tips over. Lowering the center of gravity will make it more stable, but I'll show you that in another tutorial. Press escape to get out of game mode. That's the end of the tutorial. I'll put all the files used and the finished file at my website www.freemovies.co.uk at the Blender channel there. Thanks for watching and goodbye.